Hey, I'm Michael, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get a GoHighLevel 30-day free trial, and I'm also going to show you how you can get access to a free done with you setup session so you can get your GoHighLevel account up and running today. Let's jump right in. Okay, so just go ahead and click the link in the description below, and it'll take you to this page right here. And here is the special page. Now, you'll notice that it says 30-day free trial, and also you get a free live bootcamp. There's actually a whole bunch of other stuff inside of here as well. So if I scroll down, you'll see a whole bunch of bonuses that you also get access to. Quite literally everything you need to get up and running as soon as possible. You've got snapshots, you've got support, you've got training, you've got everything that you need inside of here. Okay, so let me walk you through step by step so you can claim all of this stuff. Okay, so there's this form just up top here. Now, all you're going to want to do, enter in your details. Now, company name, if you're not sure what to put in there, by the way, just go ahead and put your full name and then enter in these other details and click the magic button right here that says go to step 2, and then I'll show you what this page looks like. Okay, this is the page that it takes you to. Now, you'll see that there's two plans to choose from. We've got the 297 and the 97. Now, for you guys that want access to the 497, don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can access that. But for you other guys, you've got the 297 and the $97 here. So what I would recommend, and personally what I do myself for quite literally every free trial I do, is just go ahead and do the highest plan. That way you can experience everything that it has to offer. And then what I do is I just pop it in my calendar when it's going to end so that I can decide then if I want to downgrade, if it's just not the right fit for me. Now, by the way, one question a lot of people do have is, hey, what if I do want to downgrade or cancel my account? Is that hard? Just to let you know, no, it's not hard. It's incredibly easy to do. You can do it inside of settings and billing, and you can go ahead and just downgrade to whatever plan is right for you, or even cancel your account if you find for whatever reason GoHighLevel just isn't a good fit. So don't worry, you're not stuck. They're not going to hold you hostage. So yeah, that's the way that works. Now, next up, once you have selected the plan that makes sense for you, then go ahead and enter your card details inside of here. Now, you might be wondering, like, I thought it's a free trial. Why have I got to put in my card details? The way it works, and it's written here, by the way, is basically they put your card on file, and then at the end of the free trial, once it's done, then they just charge your account from then on forward. So that's the way it works. Don't worry, they're not going to take anything out of your account right now. It's just to have on file for when the free trial is done. So all you got to do, enter in your card number there, click complete order, and guess what? You're done. That is quite literally it. Now you get access to a 30-day free trial and a free live bootcamp and a whole bunch of extra stuff. Now, seeing as you're watching this video, you're definitely going to want to like and subscribe because I make videos that help people with GoHighLevel every single week. And as well as that, seeing as you're here, watch this video right here where I show you how to get a GoHighLevel presentation set up using a free AI tool that literally takes a couple seconds to do, and it will absolutely blow your mind. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.